Number 5. Nespresso Cities. The 19-bar pump system offers barista-style single-serve coffee. The fast heat-up system reaches the ideal temperature in just 25 seconds. Making Cities a great coffee maker for all your single-serve coffee needs. Cities' look continues to please both espresso drinkers and design lovers. Each machine includes a espresso original capsule. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. DeLonghi Nespresso Latissima Pro. The DeLonghi automatic cappuccino system creates perfectly layered espresso beverages. The recyclable aluminum capsules contain the finest espressos for authentic taste without measuring or cleanup. The ultimate amount for drawing the most flavor and desired temperature in each cup. During the extraction process, the integrated carafe dispenses milk in adjustable levels for taste. No need to wait for a delicious espresso. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Nespresso Latissima Touch. One button and one capsule, that's all it takes to enjoy a barista-style latte in seconds. 6 one-touch recipes. The Latissima Touch's sleek Italian craftsmanship looks fantastic in any kitchen. An automatic frother creates rich, long-lasting, creamy foam. 19-bar high-pressure pump ensures fast heat-up, in less than 40 seconds for milk-based recipes. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Nespresso Latissima 1. Silky white with cream accents. Thermoblock heating element with 19 bars of pressure. Make espresso, lungo, latte, cappuccinos, and more. Milk jug with sensor that uses all milk in container. 25 seconds heat up time. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Breville Nespresso Virtua Plus. Nespresso Virtua Plus offers the latest innovation from Nespresso with an all-new design. Brew different single-serve coffee cup sizes at the touch of a button depending on your coffee needs. Brew the perfect single-serve coffee or espresso drink time after time, thanks to Nespresso's Centrifusion TM technology. The machine also has a fast heat-up time of only 20 to 25 seconds and has an automatic shut-off after 9 minutes. Includes a complimentary starter set of Nespresso capsules. Please check the description for details and best price.